Exercise 7.3 of chapter Integrals. Now the question number 1. Find the integrals of the functions in exercises 1 to 22. The question number 1 is sin square 2x plus 5 and so on. Okay. क्या हुआ? The question number 1 is sin square 2x plus 5. By using the identity sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Okay. So now convert this sin square 2x equal sin square 2x plus 5 equal to 1 minus cos 2 times 2x plus 5 by 2. Okay. So now we can write 1 minus cos 4x plus 10 1 by 2. Okay. Now integration of this I equal to integration sin square जिन्हें 2x plus 5 दिया. Now change, write 1 minus cos 4x plus 10 by 2 dx. Okay. Separate the terms. Integration of 1 by 2 dx minus 1 by 2 cos 4x plus 10 into dx. Okay. The integration of 1 by 2 dx is equal to x by 2 minus 1 by 2. The cos, integration of cos is sine. It is sine 4x plus 10 and the integration of 4x is by 4. Okay. Plus c constant. We can write answer of this x by 2 minus sine 4x plus 10 divided by 8 plus c. Okay. The question number 2, sine 3x and cos 4x. Now using the formula of 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b equal to sin a plus b प्लस साइन a माइनस बी. ओके. 2 से यहाँ जाएगा 1 बाई 2 तो इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे हम लोग. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन 3x 4 cos 4x डॉट dx. तो वी कैन राइट 1 बाई 2 साइन a प्लस बी. a प्लस बी मीन्स 3x प्लस 4x dot dx plus sin a minus b. It means 3x minus 4x dot dx. एक बार प्लस और एक बार माइनस. Put in the big bracket. It means 1 by 2 integration of sin 7x plus 1 by 2 integration of sin minus x dot dx. Okay. So we can write 1 by 2 sin 7x. Integration of sin is 1 by 2 minus cos 7x by 7. In this 1 by 2 sin minus x equal to sin minus sin x. Yani it means minus. The differentiation of sin is cos x. Sin minus x minus 7. It is equal to the minus cos x. Okay. 1 by 2 minus minus. Minus sin x and differentiation integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c. Okay. So now final answer is minus cos 7x by 14 and minus minus plus 1 by 2 cos x plus c. Question number 3. Find the integration of cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x. First we have to simplify this. Then find integration. Suppose cos A, cos B. The formula of cos A, cos B equal to 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. By using this formula, cos 4x, cos 6x. So we can write cos 4x plus 6x 1 by 2 cos 4x plus 6x plus cos 4x minus 6x. 4x minus 6x. So we get cos 2x 1 by 2 cos 10x plus cos 1 by 2 cos 2x cos minus 2x. Okay. Now 1 by 2 common. Again put the formula of cos A cos B. 1 by 2 cos A plus B. Right here 1 by 2 cos A plus B means 2x plus 10x and plus cos 2x minus 10x. 1 by 2. And in this plus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Cos minus theta is also cos 2x. Next 1 by 2 we can write 1 by 4 cos 12x plus 1 by 4 cos minus 8x. But this one is 1 by 2 cos square 2x 1 by 4 cos 12x 1 by 4 of cos 8x. Okay, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 8x and next 1 by 2 the cos square 2x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x means 4x by 2. Okay, 1 by 4 कॉमन ले सकते हैं तो ये क्या आ जाएगा cos 12x cos 8x and 1 plus cos 4x. 1 by 4 common. Now find integration. Integration of each term. Cos 12x dot dx cos 8x dot dx integration of 1 dot dx plus integration of 1 by 4 in each term. 1 by 4 cos 4x dot dx. Now integration of cos 12x is equal to sin 12x. Sin 12x by 12 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4 बाहर ही रहने देते हैं अभी. ये हो जाएगा sin 8x by 8 और ये हो जाएगा cos 4x का हो जाएगा sin 4x by 4 plus x plus c. This is the integration of this. Cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x. पहले इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके यहाँ तक ले आएंगे और फिर इसका इंटीग्रेशन हम फाइंड किए सिंपल वे में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. फाइंड द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन क्यूब 2x plus 1. तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन क्यूब, तो वी कैन राइट साइन स्क्वायर 2x plus 1 into साइन 2x plus 1 dot dx. This is the integration. Okay, so take 2x plus 1 cos sin स्क्वायर को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, पहले लिखेंगे 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर 2x plus 1 and sin 2x plus 1 dot dx. Take cos 2x plus 1 equal to t. So differentiation of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x plus 1 dot dx equal to dt. Okay, so we can write sin 2x plus 1 dot dx equal to minus dt by 2. Put here 1 minus t square, sin 2 is minus dt by 2. Okay, minus dt by 2. So take minus 1 by 2 common, integration of 1 dot dt minus 1 by 2 and integration of minus t square, it means plus t square dot dt. So it is minus t by 2. It is t cube by 6. T cube by 3 into 2, t cube by 6 plus c. Okay. Next term, put the value of t. T equal to cos 2x plus t. It is cos 2x plus 1 by 2 and cos cube 2x plus 1 by 6 plus c. Question number 5. It is sin cube x cos cube x. Okay, we can write cos cube x and sin cube x तो हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, sin स्क्वायर x इंटू साइन एक्स. फिर इसको आगे कर लेंगे cos क्यूब x 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर x sin x. Okay, now find the integration of this sin x dot dx. अब यहाँ पर हम लोग let cos x equal to t. So now the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x dx equal to dt. It means sin x dx equal to minus dt. Put in this integration, we get cos cube x means t cube 1 minus t square and sin x dx equal to minus dt. Okay, the value of this minus t cube minus t raised to power 5 dot dt. Separate the terms, minus t cube dot dt minus and minus minus plus t raised to power 5 dot dt. It is equal to the minus t raised to power 4 by 4 plus t raised to power 6 by 6 plus c. Just put the values of t minus cos 4 cos raised to power 6x by 6 plus c. Okay. Next question is sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. We know that the formula of sin A, sin B equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B by 2. By 2 means we can write 1 by 2. Okay, it is equal to, put in this, so we can write sin x 1 by 2, sin 2x, sin 3x means cos 2x minus 3x minus cos 2x plus 3x. It means 1 by 2 sin x, it is equal to the cos minus x. And अब इसका फिर अंदर इंटू कर दें तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 1 by 2 sin x and cos 5x. Okay, sin x cos 5x. Again, just put, we can write integration of I equal to इंटीग्रेशन 1 by 2 बाहर है, ये हो गया sin x cos x, cos minus x is equal to cos x dx minus 1 by 2 sin x cos 5x dot dx. Okay, so we know that sin x cos x sin x cos 5x. तो इसको हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, इसको लिखेंगे 1 by 2, ये हो जाएगा sin 2x by 2 बाई द फॉर्मूला ऑफ sin 2a 2 sin a cos a, और यहाँ पर होगा माइनस 1 by 2 sin x cos 5x dx. तो वी कैन राइट द फॉर्मूला ऑफ sin a cos b, इट इज इक्वल टू द 1 by 2 sin a प्लस b प्लस साइन a माइनस b. इसको यहाँ ब्रैकेट क्लोज और 1 by 2 dx. ओके, अब इसको आगे फिर सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो 1 by 2 साइन 2x का क्या होगा डिफरेंशिएशन, साइन 2x by 2 इट इज इक्वल टू द 1 by 2, तो यहाँ रहेगा ये 1 by 2 भी रहेगा, साइन 2x का होगा माइनस कॉस 2x by 2, और ये क्या हो जाएगा 1 by 2 1 यहाँ 1 by 4 इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन 6x ओके dx प्लस 1 by 4, ये माइनस इस पूरे में अंदर जाएगा तो यहाँ हो जाएगा माइनस 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 4 साइन माइनस 4x डॉट dx. इसका भी इंटीग्रेशन अलग कर दिया. ठीक है, तो ये तो हो गया माइनस कॉस 2x बाई 8, और ये हो गया माइनस 1 by 4 साइन 6x इक्वल टू माइनस कॉस 6x बाई 6, ये हो जाएगा माइनस, और ये हो गया आपका साइन माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू साइन माइनस थीटा माइनस साइन थीटा, इट मीन्स यहाँ आ जाएगा प्लस, और ये होगा 1 by 4 कॉस 4x by 4 डॉट ओनली प्लस सी कॉन्स्टेंट. ये हो जाएगा माइनस कॉस 2x by 8 प्लस कॉस 6x by 24, और ये होगा आपका माइनस साइन का, ये होगा माइनस कॉस 4x by 16 प्लस सी. 1 by 8 कॉमन ले सकते हैं यहाँ से 1 by 8, तो पहले पॉजिटिव टर्म लिख देते हैं और इसको लिख देते हैं, या फिर ऐसे ही लिखते हैं माइनस कॉस 2x cos 6x by 3 minus cos 4x by 2 plus c. Next question is sin 4x sin 8x. The formula of sin a sin b equal to 1 by 2 cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Okay, put in this 1 by 2 cos a minus b, it means 4x minus 8x minus cos a plus b 4x plus 8x. It is equal to the 1 by 2 cos minus 4x minus cos 12x, and cos minus theta equal to cos theta. So it means 1 by 2 cos 4x minus 1 by 2 cos 12x. Now find the integration. The integration of all. Now separate the term. Integration of cos 4x dx minus 1 by 2 cos 12x dot dx. The integration of cos x equal to sin x. Okay, so sin 4x by 4 minus sin 12x by 12, 1 by 2 into 12 plus c. Sin 4x by 8 minus sin 12x by 24 plus c. This is the answer, simple answer of this question. Okay. The next question, question number 8. 1 minus cos x, 1 plus cos x. 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. The 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2. It is equal to the 2 sin square x by 2, and 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. It is 10 square x by 2. 10 square x by 2. And we can write 10 square x by 2 is equal to 1 plus, sec square x by 2 minus 1. 1 plus 10 square x by 2 equal to sec square x. Therefore, yes. Now find the integration. Integration of sec square x by 2 minus 1 dot dx. Separate the terms. Sec square x by 2 dot dx minus 1 into dot dx. It is equal to the integration of sec square x by 2 is 10x by 2, and divide by 1 by 2 minus x plus c. Okay, you can write 2 10 x by 2 minus x plus c.